Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So the first thing I'm going to do is take the lightest foundation that I own. I'm just going to give myself a paler complexion, but also why I'm using this foundation is to cover my brows. I ended up hating the way I looked when I did this, but Sissy Spacek has, I think that's how you say her name. I know that I get slaughtered every time I butcher someone's name. But she has really, really pale eyebrows in this movie, and I felt like if I kept my really modern 2020 brows, then it wouldn't have looked as good, but kind of regret it and wish I just did my 2020 brows. Oh well, you know, this is just a makeup tutorial. Also, before I go any further, please refrain from any rude comments comparing me to the actress or this or that. I always get comments on my videos telling me you look nothing like them, she's better, blah blah blah. Of course the actress is better, they're in the movie for a reason. I'm just honestly recreating a makeup look based off of what I think the techniques they use are, trying to get as close to the image. What I'm doing is honestly just inspired. That's why I always have inspired, so it's not always accurate. Only reason I'm saying this is because I feel like sometimes people get confused and expect me to transform into somebody else or do some type of magic trick and turn into Carrie, Sissy Spacek, and I can't do that. I wish I could though. Okay, so now I am just aligning my waterline with white eyeliner. This look is going to be super easy. I'm not going to be doing the blood all over me thing. I am not a special effects makeup artist. I'm not even a makeup artist. I just like recreating looks. I wouldn't consider myself that great at it, so I am just having fun. So if you came on my channel just to get an inspirational type of look, then you are on the right track. Then I am just taking this color called White Peach from the Sweet Peach palette, and I'm going to place this all over my lids. It looked like from the photos that she just had a very round type of really natural look. It was the 70s, so keep in mind everything was very natural back then. I know a lot of amazing special effects YouTubers that probably did the full blood. I did not do that. This is just a prom makeup and the makeup she had during the movie. Okay, now I am highlighting my inner corners and then taking the color called Puree, and with this eyelash curler, I'm just using this to create a circular type of shape circular type of shape above the eye. And like you see, this is very, very natural. Please do not try to overdo it unless you really are transforming yourself into Sissy Spacek. Always make sure to run the eyeshadow underneath when creating round eyes. And also, I am just using a touch of mascara. Her eyelashes were almost white because I think she has blonde eyelashes. So I wanted to make sure that I kept a little bit of that. And I am highlighting my nose because it looked like she had a natural glow. So I'm just trying to give myself that. And I gave myself a little bit of a button nose. So if you're wondering what's on your nose, that's why. Kind of a mistake, but I kind of liked it. It looked like an Instagram filter. So then after, I'm using Peachy Keen by MAC Cosmetics. And this is just a light natural peach blush. Just try to stick to a peach color blush, and it'll be as accurate as possible. Then we're going to move on to lips. The lip color I am using this is called Dirty Peach by Carrie Cosmetics. I'm not going to overline or anything. I'm also going to extend the outer corner of the lip because she has an extended lip shape. She's an amazing actress. I loved her in this movie. The new Carrie redos do not do it justice. She was made for this role. Now the lip gloss I'm putting over it is called Mauve. Something Mauve. I don't know how to say the last word, but it's from Grande Cosmetics. It's their lip plumping lip glosses. I really love these because I don't need to overline for my lips to just get a little bit more fuller. This was a bloody prom dress thing that I had a long time ago. I used this for a Halloween costume like 2 years ago, and I was just a prom queen, and everyone kept saying, "What are you, Carrie?" And I was like, "I'm not Carrie, but I guess it looks pretty similar to hers." I found this dress at a Goodwill, and I just put blood all over it. So what I'm doing is a typical 1970s hairstyle that was very easy. I'm just giving the bottom parts of my hair a curl on the inside. Like I'm making the flat iron go towards my face. And then when I get to the end for the fringe and the face frame, that's when you want to move the curling iron up and away from the face. I will show you in a second. What is you guys' favorite horror movie growing up? I know mine was The Exorcist. It was just like the all-time scariest movie. But I love all the Halloween movies, like the Michael Myers ones. I really love those. I'm currently watching those right now for the Halloween season. I'm sorry this isn't like a true authentic Halloween costume, but I mean you could if you really wanted to. I've seen people cover blood all over their face, and it was just a lot of fun. But yeah, so now of course I'm just keep curling the hair towards the face. What I'm going to do here in a second is Sissy Spacek. Her hair is a little longer than mine, so I'm going to add just a really giant clip of hair, and it's just like a one piece, you see, and it has a lot of hair, so I don't have to go in there and clip a bunch of extensions. I love these when I'm lazy. So yeah, and look, it blends into my hair, and it's like I never had short hair to begin with. Okay, we're getting to the top part of the head. You keep curling your hair towards your face. Like I said, in a minute, I'm going to show you how I get the 1970s type of front fringe look. So what I do is I take the hairs in the front and then I just twist it upwards and away from my face. You'll see that I'm just straightening it out from any kinks that could possibly be there. Okay, like that, rotating up and away from the face, and that'll give you the 70s essence hairstyle. And just do that on both sides. This is more of a done-up kind of version, a more done-up modern version of Carrie, so I hope you guys enjoyed it, but that's pretty much it. I'm going to be done here in a second. I had this little crown too that I also wore. I was completely Carrie 2 years ago and I wasn't even aware of it, but putting on the crown and now I feel like Carrie. All you gotta do is dunk more blood all over you if you wanna be the gory version. If you wanna just be the pretty prom version, here you go. I hope you guys enjoy this very, very simple, easy to achieve look, and I will see you in the next video. All right, guys, bye.
Going